Hello everyone. Now that Point 8 has been released, I wanted to show you how quick and easy it can be to install OpenMobile and have your car up and going. So here I have the download link and Windows. Sorry to be a little hard to see, it's on my recording on my phone. Nice quick install, mini download. Here you can see you get to select the different plugins and skins you want installed. I'm just going to grab a few of the basic ones. Wi-Fi and contacts, weather. Battery support. Serial amps, because I use that to turn on my amps. Have an HD radio. And removable drives, flash drive. So I'll pick a few things. And I forgot to download the skins. But even after you install stuff, you can easily go to the Start menu. And under OpenMobile, you can pop this right back up and say, okay, I forgot to download all this, which would be rather important to have. You can add things in just like that, and eventually we'll include this as part of the program, but for now it's out here. And we're done. So again, this is a brand new fresh install. So first run, you see, I already detected I've got a wireless card. The green is GPS, I found my GPS. Indexing music, because I already found my music. Click and hold, add more buttons. Say, I want to see GPS info. Say we care about the weather. And listen to the radio. Go into radio real fast. HD radio. Already works, already can tune it. It automatically found it. Go and look at the settings. A lot of categories. Everything's split up. Anything that's providing data for your different zones and screens. Then all your extra plugins are in here. I'm on a laptop, so when I unplugged the power, I just wanted to hibernate. I already saw it. I already found the GPS. I already found the HD radio. Here you pick the audio device it's coming into, which happens to be the default one, so that's not a problem. My amps controlled by serial ports, so I need to pick that port. See, it's almost done indexing my music. And go in there. Takes a little bit because it's still indexing it. Pick an artist and play that. I'd come back in so my amps turn on. It's playing, you can see, but there's no sound. Down there, my amp controller just lit up. Music. And there you go. In just a few minutes, you've got all the basics set up where you can have GPS information, you can have weather. I didn't put a location in for the weather. Now I got weather information. That easy. Hope you give it a try.